Hey there everyone, it's Laurel here. Quick video on showing you my two favorite adhesives. I only have two. One is an adhesive runner and one is a liquid glue. It is all I need in my craft room for all of my adhesive needs. The first one is liquid and this is the Nuvo, let me get in frame. This is the Nuvo, let me get it right way. The Nuvo Deluxe Clear Drawing Glue. I absolutely love it because first of all, it's got this very fine tip on it. I don't know if you can see, it's got a super fine tip. And it comes in 2 ounces, so it's a lot of glue, and it just comes right out. Now, it comes out white, but it dries completely clear. So if you're messy like me and you get glue that oozes out all over the place, it doesn't matter because it's gonna dry clear, and I love it. It is super strong, and I have not had any clogging issues with my glue, with my Nuvo. The other glue that I like that is in runner form is actually the Thermoweb XL tape runner. I love it because the refills are actually so easy to pop in and out. I know, like almost like this little piece just comes in and out, right? It comes in a refill like this, and then you just push it down and you're in, right? Another thing that's great about this adhesive is it pivots, which so you can get like when you're going and putting on a card base, you can actually turn it and it pivots, so you're able to get into all those hard to reach places. And the glue is super strong. So if you had to go with 2 glues, like that's all you were ever allowed to own ever, I would say the Nuvo Deluxe Adhesive Glue and the Thermoweb XL. Both are inexpensive, both are fantastic, and really it's like all you need, it's all I use. I love it. Thanks for watching.